Have a person coming in here who has a purpose in your life. Okay, so this has been divinely guided. The purpose though is to help you heal, help you feel good about yourself again, and kind of value yourself in a different way. So they're asking you to stay open-hearted in this connection, okay? They're wanting you to kind of not overthink the situation. So don't feel like you have to make a decision on this person. Just kind of go with the flow. So this is someone new. You might not have met them yet, but when they come in, you'll know, and you may feel a little bit confused because they might not be exactly what you need for the future to move forward with, but that's the perfect thing. They're not for the future. This person isn't someone you're going to have a long-term commitment with, isn't someone you're going to get engaged to and marry. This is somebody who knows that you're not quite ready right now, but they're going to be perfect for just moving you to a better place, a better mindset, better place in your heart, to help you kind of let go of the memories of the past, of what you've been dealing with. So they could be here to heal you from either a toxic or a negative relationship, or just a relationship that's ended, and you need a kind of Mr. Right now, not a Mr. Right. That's what this person is. So you can still reflect whilst being with this person and still move forward, but you won't be building a foundation. You will just be having a good time with this person. So lots of fun, lots of kind of finding who you are again, rekindling, loving feelings, but not falling in love, okay? Because you may have been stuck in something there where you had a solid foundation and it's gone now, and so you're kind of a little bit lost, maybe feeling a bit abandoned. This person's coming in, perfect time, absolute perfect time, just to kind of brighten your day, okay? It's going to make you feel like there's something worth getting up for, and just let go. Just go with the flow with this guy, or this girl, because they're just here to make you feel good about you. Okay, it's probably been a long time since you've had someone come in that just wants you to be happy, that just wants you to feel good, that just wants you to, just enjoy life, and it just shows it's coming in faster than you think. So the second that you open up to this, it will come in. You needed to kind of separate from the past because that wasn't enough. And now this person that's coming in is also not going to be what you need, but it's going to be the transitional person. Definitely Mr. Right now. I feel like you need to move on from the fact that you feel lost in the past relationship, and I also feel as though you need to kind of understand that it's okay to not be in a position where you know the outcome. So that's also what this person is teaching you. It's like a new chapter of taking care of you, knowing what you need, knowing what you want. This person puts you in a new chapter of your life. This person moves you forward and prepares you for a soul connection that's coming in. I think you've kind of been in a position where you've been blocking any interest from anywhere. This person moves you forward and helps you become the person you need to be, ready for the soul tie, soul connection, the one that's going to last the lifetime. So know that this person doesn't have to have a place in your future, but they definitely have a purpose for your present, and they're going to help you. Let's just take a quick look at the tarot. Yeah, you're going to overthink the situation. You're going to feel lost, not knowing what to do. The beauty of this is you don't do anything. Just be the star of the show.